Every year in the US alone, more than 30,000 crashes are linked directly to tire failure. Blowouts, tread separation, loss of wet grip. And here's the uncomfortable truth most sales counters won't say out loud. Many of those tires still had tread left. That's why the idea that all tires are basically the same is one of the most expensive myths in car ownership. I've seen it in the shop too many times. A car comes in after a spin out on a rainy highway. Brakes are fine. Suspension is fine. Alignment is fine. The common denominator? Cheap or poorly designed tires that looked okay, right up until they weren't. Today we're doing something most channels won't do carefully. I'm ranking 8 tire brands that actually last longer and protect you. And at the end, I'll show you 5 popular tire brands you should seriously avoid. Not because they're cheap, but because they cut corners where it matters most. Wet grip, heat resistance, and sidewall integrity. This isn't about brand loyalty. It's about physics, materials, and what I've seen fail at 60,000 to 70,000 miles in the real world. Let's start the countdown. Hashtag 8. Falcon. Positioning. Racing technology without luxury pricing. Falcon is one of the most misunderstood tire brands on the market. Many people assume it's just another mid-tier option. That assumption is expensive. Why Falcon lasts longer? Falcon focuses heavily on heat management, which is the silent killer of tires, especially on long highway drives in summer. High silica rubber compounds improve grip without accelerating wear. Advanced tread designs maintain stability as the tire ages. Internal heat diffusing structures reduce blowout risk at speed. This is the kind of engineering you normally only see in motorsports, and that's no accident. Real-world credibility. Falcon supplies original equipment tires for performance-oriented SUVs and crossovers, and its motorsport involvement directly feeds into consumer designs. Mechanics often see Falcons come off vehicles with even wear patterns and strong sidewalls long after cheaper competitors have failed. The trade-off. They're not the cheapest option, but they routinely outlast tires that cost more and fail sooner. Hashtag 7. Cooper. Positioning. Affordable durability that embarrasses premium brands. If you want a tire that quietly refuses to die, Cooper belongs on your short list. Why Cooper lasts longer? Cooper focuses on slow, predictable wear, not flashy performance numbers. Conservative tread patterns reduce uneven wear. High silica blends stay flexible in winter and stable in summer. Built-in wear indicators help drivers catch alignment or rotation issues early. That last point matters. Many tires die early, not because they're bad, but because drivers don't realize something is wrong. Real-world durability. It's common to see Cooper tires reach 60,000 to 70,000 miles with intact sidewalls and usable tread. That's why they're so popular on trucks and SUVs. The trade-off. They're not performance tires. If you drive aggressively or prioritize razor-sharp handling, keep watching. Number 6. Yokohama. Positioning. The most underrated Japanese tire brand. Yokohama doesn't shout. It doesn't rely on aggressive advertising. Instead, it lets chemistry do the talking. Why Yokohama lasts longer? Yokohama uses a unique oil-enhanced rubber technology that improves the bond between natural and synthetic rubber. The result? Tires that stay soft as they age. Better wet grip over time. Slower degradation in cold weather. This isn't a gimmick. It came directly from decades of motorsports development. Even Yokohama's more affordable tire lines are quiet, fuel-efficient, and noticeably longer-lasting than many better-known premium brands. The trade-off. Availability can vary depending on region, but performance never does. Hashtag 5. BFGoodrich. Positioning. The sidewall kings. BFGoodrich isn't trying to win beauty contests. They're trying to survive conditions that destroy most tires. Why BFGoodrich lasts longer? The weakest part of any tire is the sidewall. That's where punctures, blowouts, and catastrophic failures usually happen. BFGoodrich solved this decades ago. Extra thick sidewall construction, reinforced rubber compounds designed for impacts, tread designs that resist chunking and tearing. This technology didn't come from marketing. It came from off-road racing, desert rallies, and brutal endurance events. Real-world durability. Mechanics regularly see BFGoodrich tires with high mileage and intact sidewalls, even after years of curb hits, potholes, and rough terrain. Their all-terrain tires are especially resistant to rock cuts, debris damage, heat buildup under load. The trade-off. They don't offer the widest range of passenger car tires. But if durability is your priority, few brands are tougher. Hashtag 4. Hankook. Positioning. The global OEM workhorse. Hankook quietly became one of the most trusted tire manufacturers in the world, and most drivers didn't notice. Why Hankook lasts longer? Hankook invests heavily in research, testing, and quality control, not just performance marketing. High silica compounds for consistent grip and slower wear. Carefully tuned tread blocks that reduce uneven wear. Low rolling resistance without sacrificing durability. Their tires are engineered to perform predictably across a wide range of vehicles, from family sedans to EVs and performance cars. Real-world credibility. Hankook is original equipment for BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, and many more. OEM contracts demand consistency and longevity. Hankook delivers both. The trade-off. They're not flashy, but they often cost significantly less than luxury brands while lasting just as long or longer. Number 3. Pirelli. Positioning. High performance intelligence. Pirelli is synonymous with racing, and that DNA shows in their tires. Why Pirelli lasts longer than people expect. Contrary to popular belief, not all performance tires wear quickly. Pirelli uses advanced polymer blends that adapt to load and temperature, rubber compounds that stiffen during hard driving and relax during cruising, noise reduction technologies that reduce internal stress. This means the tire works with your driving style, not against it. Where Pirelli shines, excellent grip in wet and dry conditions, stable performance at high speeds, predictable handling as tires age. The trade-off. Some Pirelli models sacrifice tread life for performance. If you drive aggressively every day, expect faster wear. But for balanced drivers, many Pirellis last far longer than their reputation suggests. Number 2. Continental. Positioning. Relentless German innovation. Continental doesn't slow down, ever. Even as one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, they keep engineering like they're trying to prove something. Why Continental lasts longer? Continental focuses on controlled evolution, not shortcuts. Advanced tread compounds designed to wear evenly. Rubber blends optimized for heat resistance at highway speeds. Precision tread block geometry that maintains grip as tires age. This is why Continental tires often feel almost new, even deep into their lifespan. Standout technologies. Self-sealing features that prevent sudden air loss. Specialized rubber mixes designed for both durability and comfort. Noise-reducing tread patterns that lower vibration and internal stress. Real-world credibility. Continental supplies tires to Volkswagen Group, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, major truck and commercial vehicle manufacturers. That level of OEM trust doesn't happen by accident. The trade-off. With so many models, not every Continental tire is a winner. A few rushed designs miss the mark, but overall durability remains among the best in the industry. Number 1. Goodyear. Positioning. The master of balance. Goodyear doesn't dominate one category. It dominates all of them. Why Goodyear lasts longer. Goodyear builds tires using knowledge gained from motorsports, aviation, heavy machinery, long-haul trucking. That cross-industry experience shows up in durability. Reinforced internal structures resist deformation. Advanced compounds manage heat better than most competitors. Excellent hydroplaning resistance protects tread integrity. Real-world proof. Goodyear consistently ranks at or near the top in customer satisfaction, all-season performance, long-term durability. They also own several budget brands, meaning even their entry-level technology benefits from top-tier engineering. The trade-off. Some Goodyear tires cost more up front, but over 60,000 to 80,000 miles, they often cost less per mile than cheaper alternatives. Bonus. Michelin. Positioning. The undisputed benchmark. Buy once, worry less. If there's one tire brand that truly deserves the number 1 spot, it's Michelin. Not because of marketing, not because of price, but because Michelin tires stay safe and consistent longer than almost anything else on the road. Michelin doesn't design tires to feel amazing when they're brand new. They design them so that even when they're old and worn, they're still predictable and trustworthy. Why Michelin earns the #1 spot. Most tires lose grip as they wear down. Michelin engineered their tires to do the opposite. Evergrip technology. As the tire wears, new grooves open up to maintain wet traction. High silica compounds blended with sunflower oil keep the rubber flexible as it ages. Stable tread blocks ensure slow, even wear without vibration or uneven degradation. Instead of a sharp performance drop halfway through the tire's life, Michelin delivers gradual, controlled aging. Real-world benefits drivers actually notice. In real garages, Michelin has a very clear pattern. They don't come back early. 70,000 to 80,000 miles with stable handling. Wet weather grip that doesn't disappear as tread wears down. Lower heat buildup on long highway drives, reducing blowout risk. It's common to see used Michelin tires that are still safer than brand new budget tires. Consistently ranked at or near #1 in independent tire tests year after year. OEM supplier for economy cars, luxury vehicles, and high-performance models. Extremely low variation between factories. Buying Michelin isn't a quality gamble. With Michelin, you get exactly what you expect every time. Michelin tires cost more up front. That part is true. But when you look at cost per mile, the picture changes completely. One set of Michelin tires often replaces 2 sets of cheap tires. Fewer replacements mean fewer alignments and less labor cost. Better fuel efficiency over the life of the tire. You don't save money at checkout. You save money over 5 to 7 years of ownership. If you want to buy tires once and stop worrying. Consistent safety in rain, heat, and cold. The lowest long-term risk for you and your family. Michelin deserves the #1 position. Many drivers try switching to cheaper brands. Most of them come back to Michelin, not because it's flashy, but because it simply doesn't let them down over time. Now we flip the script. Everything you've seen so far was about engineering, durability, and trust. What you're about to see is the opposite. Brands that cut corners, overpromise, and fail when it matters most. These are 5 tire brands you should avoid. Avoid #5. Fortune. Positioning. Too cheap to be safe. Fortune tires look tempting. Low price. Decent tread pattern. Big mileage numbers on paper. That's where the good news ends. Why Fortune fails early. Inconsistent rubber quality. Poor heat resistance at highway speeds. Weak wet grip performance. Many of these tires use low-grade rubber mixed with excessive fillers, which makes them hard, slick, and unpredictable, especially in rain. Real-world problems. Premature sidewall failures. Sudden tread separation. Warranty claims frequently denied. Mechanics often describe them as black and round. They roll, but they don't protect. Avoid #4. Accelera. Positioning. The wet weather nightmare. Accelera markets aggressively toward budget-conscious drivers. Unfortunately, safety is where the savings come from. Why Accelera is dangerous. Extremely poor wet braking. Inconsistent tread wear. Rapid performance drop as tires age. Even at moderate speeds, these tires struggle to evacuate water properly. The ugly truth. Many drivers report loss of control below 40 miles per hour in rain. That's not a performance issue. That's a safety failure. Warranties exist on paper, but often come with region-based loopholes that limit real coverage. Avoid #3, Ling Long. Positioning. The false economy. Ling Long has expanded rapidly by offering rock-bottom pricing, but durability and quality control lag far behind. Why Ling Long wears fast. Minimal silica content. Cheap tread compounds that harden quickly. Poor consistency between batches. One tire might last 35,000 miles. The next might fail at 15,000. That unpredictability is the real danger. Avoid #2. Douglas. Positioning. Budget branding. Premium disappointment. Douglas is often mistaken for a safe choice because of its association with larger tire companies. That assumption is costly. Where Douglas falls short. Short tread life compared to competitors. Weak heat resistance. Mediocre wet traction as tires wear. These tires are built to hit a price point, not a longevity target. Over time, you'll replace them twice while better tires are still going strong. Avoid #1, Firestone. Positioning. The overpriced gamble. Firestone is the most controversial brand on this list, and for good reason. Why Firestone is risky. Long history of recalls. Inconsistent manufacturing quality depending on plant. Pricing that doesn't match performance. Some Firestone tires are decent. Others have suffered from tread separation at highway speeds, the most dangerous tire failure there is. When safety depends on consistency, maybe good isn't good enough. The silent tire killer. Most drivers ignore. It's not brand. It's not price. It's not even tread depth. It's heat. Underinflation, overinflation, skipped rotations, and poor alignment all cause internal heat buildup. That heat slowly destroys the tire from the inside, long before you see visible damage. This is why new tires blow out. Expensive tires wear unevenly. Budget tires fail catastrophically. The tire didn't betray you. Maintenance did. How to make good tires last even longer. If you chose any brand from the top 8, here's how to protect your investment. Check tire pressure once a month, not when the warning light comes on. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Fix alignment issues immediately. Don't wait for uneven wear. Never mix cheap tires with premium ones on the same axle. These habits alone can add 15,000 to 25,000 miles to your tires. The real cost comparison. Let's be blunt. Buying cheap tires that last 30,000 miles means more replacements, more labor costs, higher fuel consumption, higher accident risk. A tire that lasts 70,000 to 80,000 miles almost always costs less per mile, even if it's more expensive up front. That's how experienced drivers save money. Final warning. If a tire brand can't handle rain, has inconsistent quality, hides behind weak warranties, it doesn't belong on your car. Your tires are the only thing touching the road. Everything else, engine, brakes, suspension, depends on them.